There's the camera.
Okay.
Hi. Sorry. Hi everybody, welcome to Vegan Brit. This week I have a special guest, my mum, because we are going to make, what are we making, Mum?
Pakoras.
We're going to be making pakoras, which are naturally vegan. We're not changing your recipe, are we, Mum? No. And what's a pakora, Mum?
It's like a little snack if you're like having a dinner party or friends round. It's quick and easy. It doesn't take long to cook.
And it's a South Asian thing, isn't
South
it?
Asian, yes.
Yeah, South Asian. We should also say, what's the difference between a bhaji and a pakora, Mum?
Bhaji, an onion bhaji, just put onions in it.
You can just put onions. Yeah.
But you can put any kind of vegetable in it. Sometimes I put mushrooms, mushrooms. Something quick and easy that quickly cooks in the oven.
Well, we're going to show you what we're going to add into our pakoras. Traditionally, pakoras are deep fried, which is fine, but if you want a healthier option, we're also going to try and bake them, aren't we, Mum?
Yes, we're going to try bake.
So we've That's so cute. Fake. Okay. So what we thought we would do is we would put them in a cupcake tin, bake them, see how they turn out. We haven't tried that before, have we, Mum? So we're gonna try that out and see if we can make like a non-deep fried version, because I don't really like to eat deep fried stuff. It is a little unhealthy. So anyway, for our vegan pakoras, which are vegan anyway, so you don't need to say they're vegan pakoras, but obviously they're vegan because this is the vegan Brit. So for your pakoras, you're gonna need, say, an onion,
spinach, cauliflower, gram flour or chickpea flour, cumin seeds, turmeric and garam masala.
and salt and pepper to taste. So there's not really a lot of chopping and stuff to do, is there, Mum? And Mum doesn't really measure anything because she's been making it since the beginning of time. So I'm going to measure it, and I'm gonna put the measurements down. As always, the recipe will be in the description below. And I might as well say now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let's chop up these vegetables. Okay, here we go. So Mum is the expert because I've never made these before. Got my little pad here, so I'm going to write down everything so that you guys have the measurements and the recipe. And let's go. We're going to start off with, Mum.
Measuring the flour into here.
Okay, pop it on there. Put in just as much as you would put, and I'll write how much it is.
It's just for a little bit, isn't it?
130? Either 200 or 150?
150, yeah.
Nice number. Okay, chickpea flour. And what's next? Tablespoon of cumin seeds. So garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Salt, half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Half a large onion. Okay, so add the onion. Oh, clumsy. Well, because this needs to all like mix in with the batter. They have to be quite small pieces, don't they?
Yeah.
So you want them to be about that big. Make these for you now in the future. Okay, so we've got everything in here now. I'm just going to shred the spinach up a bit. Give this a mix. There's not like much flour now.
No.
You give it a mix, Mum.
My hands in
Yeah?
that.
So you really do need to use your hands because you need to break down the spinach, it looks like. Hey, Mum.
Yes. That's it.
And just be careful because the turmeric will stain your hands yellow. So that's our batter. We're going to put half in the fryer and half in the oven. Let's go do that. Okay, gang, so what's happening right now, we are just heating up the oil to fry off the batter that we've got. Mum was going to deal with the oil because honestly, if I get involved with that, I will probably end up with no skin on my body. I'm not even joking. Yesterday I spent 2 hours playing music in the park, and I don't know if you can see. Can I focus on that? I don't even know why I'm trying to focus on my disgusting thumb. Can't do it, but anyway, I got a blister on my thumb. 2 hours playing music in the park. We'll give you blisters on your thumb. I'm only going to do a couple of these because I'm not even sure how they're going to turn out. I'm not quite sure how the onion is going to cook and the cauliflower is going to cook if it's not being fried. But we're going to give it a go. Let's see how it turns out. I've covered this in spray oil. Well, by the way, there is no rhyme or reason as to how I'm putting these in. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to put these in the oven and see how that goes. So we need to put a bit of batter in to test if the oil is ready. What oil is that, Mum, that we're using?
Just a bit of an onion. Ordinary vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil,
Yeah,
okay. Okay, so the batter's ready.
So what you do is 2 forks like this. Just grab a little bit. If you grab too much, it will just go in a clump. So a little bit.
It's all coming apart, Mum.
Oh,
Is there enough batter in it?
wondering.
Why wondering? Why didn't you say?
I thought it would be okay.
Because there's nothing binding that together.
Yes.
Okay.
Is it a problem to put a bit more batter? A bit more?
Don't worry about the video, Mum. It's
Okay.
like, don't
Yeah.
worry. Like, if you should have said something if you thought it's not too much. I'll just edit it.
Okay. I think we might need a bit more.
We have a problem, Houston. So don't you panic because the measurements are all going to be correct down below. But we've discovered that we haven't actually got enough batter. So we've got enough vegetables, haven't we, Mum?
Yes,
we just
definitely.
need to. Okay, so I'm just going to mix up some more of the chickpea flour.
Yes.
Spice mix and then see how much extra of that we have to add in. But like I said, don't you guys panic, I've got you. Measurements are correct below. Mum's only made these 1,000 times.
I just normally do it with my eyes closed, so when I'm measuring it,
When she has her eyes open, she doesn't
I can't.
she doesn't recognise what she's doing. We're gonna rectify this and then come back and then keep frying. But it shouldn't look like that. It won't take long. We're not gonna make you wait. We'll edit it even, won't we, Mum? Yeah, magic of film. Okay, so we've added in more of the flour and the spices and we're mixing it and the verdict, Mum, is much better?
Little bit, yes. No, so I think it needs a little bit of water now.
Okay, so this is the thing where when you're used to making something and you just gauge it all by eye, it's a little bit of a process to get the measurements down, but that's why we're doing this. My family's secret pakora recipe and I'm giving it to you guys. Now let me show you what we got now. This is more like it, isn't it, Mum?
Better than it was before, yeah.
Better than it was before. You've got more of the batter holding everything together. Goodness knows what's going to happen to what we put in the oven. Whatever we put in the oven, I will remake it because I just want to see if it works. So I've had them in for about 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, my eyes. So that's what they look like. Leave some batter left over and we'll just do it again.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. I underestimated how little light. Overestimated how much light was coming in because it's only outside. Got my ring light on now, so hopefully you can see a lot better. We've got our batter here, so let's see.
What you do is you pick up a little bit, not too much, otherwise it'll go into a clump. So for this size of pan, don't fill it up too much because they might end up sticking together. But it doesn't matter if they stick together because you can just pull them apart. Leave it a little bit low because then it gives enough time for the inside to get cooked. If fire's too high, you'll just get burnt on the outside and not get cooked properly on the inside.
So cook it long enough so that the outside isn't burnt, but that you can be sure that the inside's cooked.
Yes. The little ones that are there already will get crispy, and it's nice to have it be crispy, some of them crispy. And if you put them in like this, like I'm doing, and you find out they're stuck together, get another 2 forks, dry ones, pretend this is a fork, and just...
Mom, you can't tell the camera, pretend it's a fork.
If you look down and you see they're a bit big, just split it as you go along.
So while Mum's cooking away, I've been given permission to taste test some of the ones that we've got on the side here. I'm going to take a little bit because it's quite hot. We're going to try that one. I would say a bit more salt.
A bit more salt?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes.
We can add that after though.
This is to everybody's taste. If you do like a one batch and you taste it, it's not enough salt, just add a bit more salt. If you feel like you need more cumin seeds or any other flavours, turmeric or anything, there's no fast rule to it. If you need more salt, add a bit more salt. While the batter is like this, it's easy to do.
That's true. Maybe do a little bit first and
try
taste
a little
it.
bit first, yes.
Not what we did. Kind of just went in all gung ho, didn't we, Mum?
Yes, just of it when I eat it, that's all. So shall we add a bit more salt in this lot, the next lot?
Yes, let's add more salt.
Right. Whoa, that was a bit too much.
If you had too much salt, can't help you there. We'll have to make the batter all over again. So we're on a roll now. We're going to use up the rest of the batter. We're going to save a little bit back, and I'm going to try a couple in the oven to bake them and see what that turns out like. And next time I see you, we'll be eating them. I mean, I know I've been eating them just now, but
That's
officially.
With my family, whenever I'm cooking, could be pakoras, chapatis, anything. Flip it on the plate, turn around, and it's gone. So that's what I have to put up with. But I like it because they love my food.
Better than people spitting it out. But yes, some Sri Lankan food takes a long time to cook and takes 2 seconds to eat.
I've got a lot more recipes if Cass wants me to do. I've got lots more Sri Lankan recipes.
If
and
you
they're
would
all
like
vegetarian, vegetarian stroke vegan. Vegan then.
everything vegan is vegetarian, but not everything vegetarian is vegan.
Oh, right.
So if you want to see more videos with my mom showing us some nice traditional Sri Lankan vegan food, then leave a comment below and ask Mum nicely to do more videos.
Yeah.
It's getting the hang of it, aren't you, Mum?
Yeah, I'm not camera shy anymore.
Not anymore. So if you want more videos with me and my mom,
Or just
leave a comment below. Or just Mom can take over. The vegan mom. Go and click on the thumb and subscribe to the vegan mom.
That's a better tune, yes.
Improvise. Okay, so we have our finished pakoras here. These are the ones that you saw Mum deep frying, and then these are the ones that were baked in the oven. They're like more muffin shape. I've never tried baked pakoras before, so seeing as you saw us eating those, well, let's just eat those first. We know that they're nice. So first I'm going to try these with sweet chili sauce. Do you want sweet chili sauce on yours?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to put the plate down, Mum, so then we can try it. And this is a bit of cut. Go ahead, Mum.
I haven't eaten it yet.
Go.
Okay.
Okay, good. Cheers.
Oh.
Alright, cheers myself. Of course that's nice. We know that's nice. We eat it all the time. It's yummy. So now, I'm very curious about these. I don't particularly like to deep fry things. It's really not healthy. So we're going to give it a... Do you want hot sauce?
No, I like
Okay.
chili sauce.
This is one of my favourite Jamaican hot sauce. We got Jamaican hot sauce and we got Thai sweet chili sauce on Sri Lankan pakoras. This fusion food.
Been around the world.
Yep, been around the world. Okay, here we go. It's a little drier because obviously it doesn't have all the oil in it, but because you've got the veggies in there, it's fine, isn't it? Yeah, if you have an issue with deep frying, you can absolutely bake them and they'll still taste really good. Okay, Mum can't wait to go and put her hair up and get changed into something more comfortable. So let's leave it there. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
If you... Say that again.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos with me and my mom cooking, sorry, I got so much food in my mouth, so rude. If you want me to do more videos with my mom and showing you how to make some nice vegan Sri Lankan recipes, then leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed already. It costs you nothing and it means an awful lot to me, so if you could do that right now, please. That would be great. We're going to go and eat our pakoras, and Mum's going to go put her hair up, and we'll see you all next week. Bye! Go and click on the thumb and subscribe to the vegan mom.